to ponder how vital the water cycle is to our existence? It's a natural phenomenon that plays a critical role in sustaining life on Earth, yet most of us may not fully grasp its complexity and importance. So, buckle up as we dive into the intricate world of the water cycle. The water cycle, also known as the hydrologic cycle, is a continuous process that circulates water throughout our planet. It comprises four main stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. We embark on our journey with evaporation. This stage involves the transformation of water from a liquid state to a gaseous state, known as water vapor. It primarily occurs in the world's oceans, seas, and other large bodies of water, facilitated by the heat from the sun. Even the moisture from plants and trees through a process known as transpiration contributes to this stage. Next, we ascend to the stage of condensation. As water vapor rises into the cooler parts of the atmosphere, it starts to cool down and revert to its liquid form, creating tiny droplets. These droplets come together to form clouds and fog, marking the successful completion of the condensation stage. Now, we move to the third stage, precipitation. Over time, these tiny droplets in the clouds become larger, and when they are too heavy to remain in the cloud, they fall to the ground as rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the atmospheric conditions. Finally, we reach the collection stage. Water that reaches the ground will either be taken up by plants, seep into the ground to become part of the groundwater system, or flow over the surface and collect in bodies of water like rivers, lakes, and oceans. And from here, the cycle begins anew with evaporation. In summary, the water cycle is an essential and continuous process that distributes water around the planet. It starts with evaporation, where water turns into vapor and rises into the atmosphere. This vapor then cools and forms droplets in a stage known as condensation. These droplets combine and fall to the earth as precipitation. Once on the ground, the water is collected in various forms, ready to be evaporated once again. Remember, without the water cycle, life as we know it would cease to exist. It's not just about delivering fresh water to our taps or filling our oceans. It's a fundamental process that regulates climate, supports ecosystems, and ensures the survival of countless species, including our own. So the next time you sip a glass of water or take shelter from the rain, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that water undergoes in its ceaseless cycle of life.